Hi, in front of me is SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into settings. Then you need to scroll all the way down and tap on one-handed mode operations. Over here, click on the sweater if it's not already on and follow these instructions. So I have to do this motion to the middle of my screen from the bottom right corner. And as you can see, now one-handed mode is on. If you want to change placement of it, click on this icon over here, and if you wish to go back, tap on the blank area. If you want to turn off one-handed mode completely, just click at the same sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!